Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now we there is a special guest that is what's your name?
My name is Rehan Najib Zarpinusmana and you can call me Rehan.
Okay, my name is Gilbert Ravello. You can call me Bam. So how are you, Rehan?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. So today we're gonna podcast about problem solving. Rehan,
Yes,
how can we save our monthly money?
especially if in school we have so many problems, but especially in boarding school because we not every day in home, so we cannot uh, cannot ask to our parents how to tips and trick to save money as student. So maybe if you want to buy something that's very dangerous that you need to buy like book or pen, you have to save your money. For example, your money in 1 month is 50,000 and you each week is just 10,000. So you can buy the book or the pen for you study.
I wanna ask something.
What?
How much your money per month?
Usually my parents give to me in 1 month is 500,000. How about you?
If me, I get 400,000 per month. So the question is, how can we stop spending too much every day?
So for example, in boarding school, school already give kitchens. So in kitchens we have time to eat like in morning, in afternoon, or in evening. So because we have that's time for eat in kitchen, we have to eat in kitchen. But if we still hungry, we can buy anything like in warung or Alfamart like that.
Oh. And Rehan, this is the Ramadan month. So my problem is when I want open fasting, I buy many food. You think the tips how?
Maybe the tips and trick for you is kan in if IDN boarding school especially we
Yes.
have takjil from IDN, so you just take the takjil and you just buy two gorengans in Warjo or Wartas. So maybe that the tips and trick because after open fasting also we eat in kitchen, right? So you don't spend so many money for buy for iftar.
Oh. And then how do you how do we make a simple weekly budget?
Weekly budget. For example, we have plan. So every days we just buy some things in outside just 5,000. So maybe we can save our money for we can buy anything that we need. So that's we have a plan. So we can also manage our money and we can also save the money.
How can we buy takjil and still save money during Ramadan?
Maybe just like this. For example, you there is no money and then there is your friend that's lazy to go to warung and then you have jasa, that jasa you go to warung and then you buy something for your friends, and if like that you will get the money and then you will can save the money or you buy something for iftar.
Or like just tip?
Yes, just tip. And now I will ask you. I have so many problems. The which one my problem is sometimes I lost my items in dormitory. So how to you solve the problem?
Maybe you put What the item?
like slipper or my cap,
Oh.
like that.
If me, when I after go to mosque or buy something in outside, I bring the slipper, put in obe rack.
Okay. So that the tips and trick for the items or the stuff not good.
Yes.
Okay. So and also uh, I have the problem also like manage my time and or manage my money and but sometimes I don't know how to solve the problem.
If manage time,
Yes.
you this. So when when Monday we have kajian, right?
Yes.
So after asar we have like reading Quran, and then after reading Quran we go to dormitory and directly prepare. Don't play or don't buy food first. And after prepare, you can buy food or take a bath. Don't play again, or you can directly go to mosque for prepare or reading Quran. And then after that you can waiting kajian.
Okay. So what you want to ask to me again?
What habit help us be more careful with money?
Maybe which one is discipline and you have to care about your family. For example, your parents give to you 500 and do not you buy 500,000 that to buy some things. So you have to save like 200 or 100 because that can make you buy something like buy gold because if you buy gold later each month the price is will be up again, so later you will be a rich guy and your family.
And then Rehan, so like this, I want to buy some item, but my money is little. So tips and trick for make money.
So the first, don't be lazy to take our just tip. So because especially in boarding, we have so many friends that lazy to go down. So because of that, we take that we take that conditions for we can do just tip from to be lazy to get the money. So you can save your money and then you can buy some things.
So Rehan, when I bring money, I always like buy something. You think we save in others or we keep in ourselves?
If your self cannot keep your money, we must make for we take the money is lazy. So if we save in our ustad, so because the ustad there is no so we lazy to take the money. So maybe that the tips and trick. And also if student school in boarding, sometimes we cannot control ourselves. So why? Because we not every day meet with our parents, but we meet the ustad. So because there is no parents, the ustad change the conditions of the parents. So you can ask to your mushrif or your ustad.
Okay, maybe that's all from us. Sorry if we have some mistake. Syukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.